Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah. In a glimmering pond where the lilies sway, 5 ducks paddle gently at the break of day. With feathers of gold and a quack full of cheer, they'd splash in the water, their laughter sincere. But nestled nearby on a green lily pad was a frog with eyes bright and an air that was sad. He watched as they frolicked, all carefree and bold, while he dreamed of adventures not yet to unfold. Quack, quack, called the first duck with a flourish so grand. Come join us, dear frog, come leap from your land. But the frog only sighed and gave them a glance. I'm happy here watching, I've no wish to dance. The second duck fluffed a soft feathery plume. We'll teach you to swim, we'll dispel all your gloom. Yet the frog felt his heart like a stone in his chest. Though he longed for their joy, he could never be blessed. Then came little 3 with her eyes full of dreams. What if you were brave? What if life's not what it seems? With hope in her voice, she leapt high in delight. Let's conquer our fears and make darkness take flight. The 4th duck chimed in with wisdom so rare. Sometimes what we fear is just waiting out there. So take off your worries like clothes made of stone. Join us, my friend, you're never alone. The 5th duck looked back at the frog on his pad and saw something spark a twinkle that hadn't been had. With courage ignited by friendship's embrace, he croaked out his doubt but couldn't hide grace. So at last, with a leap from his throne made of green, the frog joined those ducks, their bond felt serene. They splashed through the ripples beneath skies so wide, a melody forming where fears had once died. Now 5 ducks together dance boldly as one, their hearts intertwined neath the warm golden sun. And that lonely old frog learned what friendship can bring, that joy blooms eternal when shared on the wing. So let this tale linger like whispers in night. In unity's warmth lies our truest delight. For whether we waddle or hop through our days, together we shine in love's brilliant rays. Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.